In this video, we will show how to add keywords, categories, and metadata to files in the OpenKM system. To add keywords to a document in the Properties tab, click the plus button above, to the left of Keywords. A window will appear where you can enter the desired terms. Multiple keywords can be added to the same file. Similarly, they can also be removed. To add categories, click on the plus button again, but this time in the one that is next to Categories. A pop-up window will appear where you can search for the category to assign. A file can have more than one category. Additionally, metadata can be added. To access the Metadata tab, click the Add Metadata Group button. Select one group and add the corresponding value. For example, any of these attributes can be used to find a file or review it among other contents that share the same value. If we search for content with OpenKM as a keyword, we get 2 results. If we search based on category, 3 results appear. If we search based on the metadata group used, we find the file used in this example. For more information or any questions, feel free to contact us through our website form or via our social media.